Election history. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be taking a look at the history of general elections. Elections are an important aspect of any democracy and provide citizens with an opportunity to exercise their right to vote. Let's take a look at the history of general elections. Greece and Rome. The concept of general elections can be traced back to ancient Greece and Rome. The concept of general elections can be traced back to ancient Greece and Rome. In Greece, the first recorded elections took place in Athens in 508 BC. Only male citizens who owned property were allowed to vote. In Rome, elections were held to elect the consuls, who were the highest-ranking officials in the city. Only male citizens were allowed to vote. In medieval England, elections were held to select representatives for the House of Commons. However, only a small proportion of the population was allowed to vote, and it wasn't until the 19th century that voting rights were expanded to include more people. United States. In the United States, the first general election was held in 1788 to elect George Washington as the country's first president. Initially, only white male property owners were allowed to vote, but over time, voting rights were expanded to include other groups, such as African Americans and women. In Indonesia, the first general election was held in 1955, shortly after the country gained independence. Initially, only educated and property-owning individuals were allowed to vote, but over time, voting rights were expanded to include more people. Today, general elections are held in countries around the world, and they are an important aspect of any democracy. They give citizens the opportunity to participate in the democratic process and have a say in how their country is governed. Elections are not only important for the democratic process, but they also serve to promote peace and stability. When citizens feel that their voices are heard, they are less likely to engage in violent or disruptive behavior. Images of electronic voting machines appear on screen. With the advent of technology, elections have become more efficient and transparent. Electronic voting machines have replaced paper ballots in many countries, making the process faster and more accurate. People celebrating after election results. The announcement of election results can be a time of celebration or disappointment, depending on the outcome. However, regardless of the results, it is important for citizens to accept the outcome and work together to move forward. In conclusion, general elections have a long and rich history, and they are an important aspect of any democracy. They give citizens a voice in the democratic process, promote peace and stability, and help to build a stronger and more united society. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this brief history of general elections. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you next time.